Hello everybody and welcome back. Root Beer here with the second question, question number 2 on our 2010 grade 7 Gauss. Tanya scored 20 out of 25 on her math quiz. Very good for her. What percent did she score? Okay, so we need to figure out percents, but all we have here is a fraction. 20 out of 25. If I write that as a fraction, we have 20 divided by 25. Okay? And if I actually punch that in on a calculator, I can get 0.8. Okay? Now, either way, we can do this process, and this is a good thing to learn as you continue on, as you take more tests throughout your education. It's very nice to know what percent you got out of something, because some tests are out of 25, some are out of 60, some are out of 76, and it can be very hard. So that's what we like about percents, is they give us a nice, clean way to say how much you got right. So the way you figure out percents is you take fractions or decimal, whatever you have that represents the amount you got on the test. So I'll do it with the fraction first. And you just multiply it by 100%. A perfect score would be 25 out of 25, and that would be 1 times 100%, and that would give you a perfect 100%. In this case, however, 100 is 25 times 4, so I can just sort of cancel out these 25s, and I'll get 4 times 20, which is 80%. Now, maybe I didn't want to use the fraction. Well, if I use my decimal, that's okay too. And I can do 0.8 times 100 on my calculator, and that's going to be 80. And we treat the percents sort of like units, or like dollars or centimeters or something. They just sort of stick around until you divide by something with percents. Okay? So the percents stay around, and either way I did this, I get 80%. Okay? So it's a very quick reflex. If you're very good at with your calculator, you could just grab your calculator, very quick, just 20 divided by 25, multiply by 100, 80, and then I just add the percent on at the end. Except I don't have to add the percent on. They give it to me in my written answers here. No, they don't even give the percent. They just leave it as 80. So 80%. And that's an answer of C. Well, there we go. So that's question number 2. Up next, of course, question number 3.